हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू टू कैन यू सॉल्व इट सीरीज। और ये सवाल हम लाए हैं सेक्शन बी, दैट इज इंडाइसिस, लॉगरिथम एंड सर्ट्स, एंड दिस इज द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सेक्शन, and that is why we have named it as B4. Before we start reading the question and start solving it, I must tell you who all can solve this question very easily. Then I can say all the students from 9 to 11 can easily solve this problem. I would rate this problem as a very easy problem. Uh, those students who have attempted must watch this video so that we see that whenever we encounter these type of problems, we don't get stuck or we don't get overwhelmed by the number of variables, because when it seems that there are so many variables, still the question can be an easy one. So the idea of giving you this question was that you shouldn't get scared by seeing many variables. Now let me read the question for you first. If a comma b comma x comma y and z, these are 5 numbers which are greater than 1, and they have given you some condition, that is a to the power x equals b to the power y equals ab to the power whole z. Now if you see, this is an equation with 2 equal to sign. So if someone asks you how many equations are there, you always say there are 2 equations. When I ask people that how many equations are there, they say sir 3 equations. But always count. Whenever you see equations in continuity with many equal to signs, just count the number of equal to signs. The number of equal to signs tells you how many equations are there. So as you can see, there are 2 equal to's, so which means basically they are 2 equations. And using these 2 equations, you have to prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y equals 1 by z. Now as I have told you that there are basically 2 equations in that. One equation I can say that a to the power x equals ab to the power z, and the second equation I can say b to the power y equals ab to the power z. So let me solve the first equation first. जैसा कि पहला इक्वेशन मैंने कहा है a to the power x equals ab to the power z. Now I want a to be free from all powers. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं दोनों साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, दोनों साइड में पावर लूंगा. कौन सा पावर लूं कि x गायब हो जाए? तो 1 by x का पावर. तो मैं अगर a to the power x पे 1 by x का पावर ले लूं और ab to the power z पे पूरे पे मैं 1 by x का पावर ले लूं, तो क्या हो जाएगा? x से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो आई विल गेट a equals ab to the power z by x. Very easy. Same fashion, the second equation is b to the power y equals ab to the power z. Again, I want b to be free from all the powers so that I can make the power as 1. तो अब क्या करूंगा, मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों को किससे रेस करूंगा? 1 by y से. तो मैं b to the power y को रेस करूंगा 1 by y से, और ab to the power z को रेस करूंगा 1 by y से. सिंस आपको पता है a to the power m to the power n is a to the power mn, आपको इतनी एक्सपोनेंट्स पता है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? b equals ab to the power z by y. Now I got equation 2 which is equal to b is equal to ab to the power z by y, and equation 1 a equals to ab to the power z by x. What is the common thing you see? In the right hand side the base is ab, here also the right hand side is the base ab. So what I can do, I can multiply equation 1 and equation 2. So multiplying equation 1 and equation 2, this is equation 1, a is equal to ab to the power z by x and b equals to ab to the power z by y. If I multiply, the left hand side will multiply with left hand side of the other equation, and right hand side will multiply with the right hand side of other equation. तो क्या हो गया? आप देख सकते हो बेस दोनों का सेम है. तो a to the power m into a to the power n क्या होता है? a to the power m plus n. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं पावर ऐड हो जाता है. तो what I can do a into b equals ab to the power z by x into ab to the power z by y. So the power will get added, so you will get something like ab is equal to ab to the power z by x plus z by y. What you see, this is ab, this is ab, so it is something like ab to the power 1 equals to ab to the power z by x plus z by y. So when you see base is same and they are equal to, it means the power is also same. So what you can say, 1 equals z by x plus z by y. So it is a very easy one. Now you have to prove that 1 by z equals 1 by x plus 1 by y. So what you are going to do, you are going to divide by z. So if I divide the whole thing by z, so left hand side में मैंने z से डिवाइड कर दिया और राइट हैंड साइड को भी z से डिवाइड कर दिया. तो क्या होगा? ये z से ये z कैंसिल, ये z से ये z कैंसिल, you will get something like 1 by z equals 1 by x plus 1 by y. It was an easy question. I am sure आपने काफी कुछ सीखा इसमें. Thank you. Bye bye.